Here's a data record table that is commonly seen at work. Do you know how to create such a table quickly? In this video, I'll show you how to create a table from scratch. The main points of this lesson are as follows. 1. How to create table borders and insert a diagonal line to the table header. 2. How to merge or unmerge cells. 3. How to beautify the table in simple steps. 4. How to apply presets with one click to form your own style. Without further ado, let's begin. 1. How to create table borders and insert a diagonal line to the table header. Having entered the data into the table, we can create borders for it. Two methods are available. First, create borders manually. Second, apply preset borders. In general, we choose to apply the borders built in WPS Spreadsheet. Head to the Home tab and click the Border drop-down button. There are multiple presets, namely all borders, outside borders, and thick box borders, etc. Here we choose all borders for demonstration. If you think these border styles are too simple, click the Border drop-down button and click More Borders to pop up a dialog. Its shortcut key is Ctrl+1. In the Format Cells dialog, we can set the style and color. Choose a desired style in the line area, and choose a preferred color below. Don't forget to choose suitable presets, or the format you set before will not be applied to the borders. Then click OK to get the expected results. Besides, if you want to hide the grid lines shown by default, head to the View tab and deselect View Grid Lines to make the sheet clearer and neater. Now we start to insert a diagonal line to the table header. The steps are simple. Select the targeted cell first, press the shortcut key Ctrl+1, select Border to go back to the same dialog, and select a diagonal line border, then click OK. Then we need to adjust the text in the cell. Two ways are available. Option 1. Place the cursor between the two words and press Alt-Enter at the same time. Then the latter word is displayed in the next line, and we can press the space key to move it to a suitable position. Option 2. Click the Insert tab, click Text Box, and input the text inside. Then move the text box to a suitable position. Two. How to merge or unmerge cells. One of the most essential elements of a table is the title, but now the title is squeezed into a cell. So how can we center the title for better typesetting? Select the cell range, click the Home tab, click the Merge and Center drop-down button and choose Merge and Center. This function essentially merges multiple cells into one large cell and then centers the text inside. However, merging the cells may lead to problems of formatting. For example, when we hold down Shift-Alt to change the position of a column, an error window will pop up to prompt you. Therefore, if you are simply trying to achieve a center look, you can also select Center Across. In this way, the selected cells are not actually merged, but look like they're merged. WPS Spreadsheet also provides more ways of merging cells to help you deal with specially structured tables easily. For example, 1. We often need to merge the cells with the same data inside when presenting a data table, so we can select the cell range to be merged and choose Merge Same Cells. 2. To merge the content into one cell, we can select the cell range and click Merge Content to display it in one cell on multiple lines. 3. In general, only the first cell contains content after we merge cells. If we click Unmerge Cells, many blank cells are generated, which is not conducive for us to filter the data. Therefore, we can choose the smarter feature to unmerge the cells by clicking Unmerge and Fill. Then the blank cells are filled intelligently. 3. How to beautify the table in simple steps. Now we're going to make this plain table look better in simple steps. 1. Select the cell range, choose a suitable font style, font size, and color for the text. 2. Choose a type of alignment in the ribbon, and in general we choose center. 3. Color the table with fill color. It would be a waste of time to set the cells one by one. So we can use the Format Painter to apply the format of one cell to others quickly. Select a cell with fill color, click Format Painter, and then click another cell to apply it. Then the cell we click is filled with the same color. If we double-click Format Painter, we can apply the format to other cells by simply clicking them continuously. We can click Format Painter again to quit the Format Painter mode. Now we find some characters are too long to display completely in one cell, making the table unaesthetic. Reviewing the last lesson, we have learned how to adjust the row height and column width. Select the whole table, double-click the line between rows, and then the cells are automatically adjusted to fit the text inside. Then select a targeted row, and continue to adjust its height with the mouse to achieve the better row height and column width. Here's another tip about setting the row height and column width. Many users adjusted the row height and column width in Sheet 1, but when they copied and pasted the table into Sheet 2, they found that the row height and column width were all changed. So how can we copy and paste the row height and column width? Click the triangle icon in the upper left corner to select the whole table, click Format Painter, and then click the triangle icon in the upper left corner in Sheet 2 to copy the format. 4. How to apply presets with one click to form your own style. Faced with busy work every day, we don't have any time to beautify a table manually. Is there an easier way for us? WPS Spreadsheet provides diverse preset table styles for selection, and you can apply them with one click. Select the table we created, click Clear, and select Formats to clear all the format settings. When creating tables, we often need the Clear function to clear formats quickly, and it can also clear all, clear contents, clear comments, and clear specials. You can also click Cell Style to choose from diverse cell styles such as title, theme, cell styles, and so on. If you want to set your cell style, go to New Cell Style to pop up a dialog, then input a custom name, click Format, and set the number, alignment, font, border, and patterns. It's too much to go through in this tutorial. Then click OK. Lastly, click Confirm to generate your own presets, and you're able to apply it with one click later. Select the cell range, click the Home tab, and click the Format as Table drop-down button to select the desired style. Today we've learned the most commonly used tools when creating tables, such as Border, Format Painter, Merge Cells, and Clear, etc., and the quick methods to beautify tables. In the next lesson, we'll take you through the data entry rules in detail to help you enter data efficiently and properly.